super and this keywords. Super is a keyword that's used to access the superclass members from the subclass. Super as a keyword gives us simple access to constructors, fields, and methods of the superclass. So in our example, subclass car class is using a super keyword to access stop method of the superclass vehicle, right? This keyword is used to access the same class members inside the same subclass. In our example, subclass car class is using this keyword to access its own start method. So we can also access other members of this class, such as variables and constructors, using similar methods. Let's see some examples of using the super and the this keyword. So we're going to open the object-oriented programming project by right-clicking on the source folder and then selecting New, Class, and then specify the package name as superthis and the class name as vehicle. So the vehicle class is a superclass. So let's declare 3 instance variables in the vehicle class. We declare 2 variables that are named type and model with a string type, and the variable max speed with int type. Let's declare a public constructor that's named vehicle, and we'll give it 3 parameters: type, model, and max speed. So in the constructor method, we can assign a parameter variable type to the variable type of this class. And we assign the parameter variable model to the variable model of this class. And then the last one, we'll assign a parameter variable max speed to the variable max speed of this class. So we use the this keyword to access the same class variables. So let's generate the public getter methods of these variables to access from the main method. Now, in order to generate getter methods, we can just right-click on the file and select Source, Generate Getters and Setters. And we choose Get Methods of all variables, and then click on the Generate button. And all selected getters methods will be generated automatically. And remember to save the code. Okay, so let's create a new subclass. So right-click on the superthis package, and then select the new class. Specify the class name as car. Our subclass car extends the superclass vehicle. So this means that the subclass car inherits all the methods and variables from the superclass vehicle. Now look at this. We get a compilation error. So if you hover the mouse on the car class, Eclipse will show you a quick fix dialog. And we defined a constructor in the superclass vehicle. So now we must define an explicit constructor in the subclass car. And we must invoke the superclass constructor from this constructor by using the super keyword. So we can add a constructor by selecting the Add Constructor in the Quick Fix dialog of Eclipse. Told you Eclipse was handy. So Eclipse automatically added the constructor with super as our keyword. Okay, so now in the class car, let's declare the variable is automatic with the Boolean type. So its initial value is false. And then we add the variable is automatic to the constructor of the car class as a fourth parameter. And then we assign a parameter variable is automatic to the variable is automatic of this class. Now, we need to generate a getter method again of the variable is automatic in order to access it from the main method, right? And I know you like to do this, so we generate the getter method of the variable using the same way we did before. See, you're getting the hang of it, huh? Remember to save the code. And let's create a main test class that's named superThisTest in the same package. Now, in the main method, we create a car object by passing parameters. The first parameter, car, represents type of car. Second parameter, Ferrari, represents model of car. The third parameter, 320, represents the max speed of car. And the last parameter, true, represents is automatic of that car. So we print the properties of the car class by using the print method. And in the first print method, we display the type of car and invoke the getType method from the superclass vehicle. In the second print method, we display the model of the car and invoke the getModel method from the superclass vehicle. And in the third print method, we display the max speed of the car and invoke the getMaxSpeed method from the superclass vehicle. Now in the last print method, we display the is car automatic or not. So we invoke the is automatic method from the subclass car. Great. So, okay, it looks great. So let's run the code. And you see the results right here in the console. Type is car, model is Ferrari, and the max speed is 320. And these properties come from the superclass vehicle. But car is automatic is true. That's right, because this property comes from the subclass car.